Hi guys, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. And first things first is really very sorry for not being active for now more than 2 months. Or more than 2 months. I'm really very sorry for that. But as I'm now back with the same Josh, I'm going to keep the consistency of my videos and I'll try to post at least 2 videos a week. All I need is your support and love for my videos, and main thing is you have to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also you can follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. This is my ID. So moving towards our today's makeup, today I've shared how I do my holiday vacation makeup look. This is all I do. I follow all the makeup steps, but the products I use are in really little quantity. I personally like to keep my makeup nude and subtle. With these eye look, you can apply your any favorite shade, lip shade. I like to keep my lips nude. Uh, yeah. So without wasting time and without any further ado, let's jump into the video now.
So I'm starting off my makeup with some moisturizer. This is the Lotus Herbals moisturizer. This is dry to normal skin moisturizer, so oily skin people can't use this. Okay, you don't have to dot the moisturizer on your face. You will just rub it on your hands first and then apply it so that the product gets activated and penetrates in your skin properly. I've done my eyebrows off camera. Next I'm going to use the primer from inside. This is 3-in-1 primer plus moisturizer, and I'm just going to dot it on both sides of my face and then I'll blend it. Next I'm going to use the foundation. This is PAC Cosmetics foundation. My shade number is 2.1. I'm going to take the little quantity of every product, only where I need it, on my forehead, on my nose, do not forget your neck and your ears. Next, with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all properly. Don't forget your ears and your neck, because if you're applying your foundation only on your face and you're avoiding your ear and your neck, then it's going to look different and people are going to know that the foundation is on. Next I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is 06 shade and the Maybelline concealer. The Swiss Beauty concealer is the perfect my shade, but the Maybelline concealer I'm using is a little lighter for me, so I use that concealer for highlighting my under eyes. Next, I'm going to take any loose powder. I'm using the loose powder which everyone has at their home. You can probably use your favorite. Next, I'm going to do contouring of my face. If you feel that your contour is a little heavy, take a clean brush and just blend it and make it light. Don't panic. And now I'll contour the rest of my face. Also, I'll contour my nose. Next, for eyeshadows, I'm going to use this shade. I'm just applying into my crease. Next, I'll take a flat small brush and I'll pick the black matte shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'll apply it as a liner, and then we'll blend it properly. We are not going to keep the harsh lines. Also, I'll blend it from the edges. Now I'll remove the excess powder, loose powder which I applied with the clean brush. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow shade and I'm going to apply it into my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply the lipstick as a cream blush, and then I'll apply the powder blush on it so that it stays for a long time. Next, for lips, I'm going to use this really nice brown nude lip liner. Obviously, you can use any your favorite lip shade. You can use either red, you can use brown nudes, you can use pink nudes, you can use pink as you like, but my favorite shade is brown nudes or pink nudes. So as per that, I'm again taking a matte nude lip shade. I'm going to apply it on my lips, on middle part of my lips. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. This is my favorite part of makeup. Guys, let me know what is your favorite part from all the makeup steps. Let me know in the comment section. See, if you're getting messy, don't panic. Just see, I would have cut this part, but I kept it because I want you to know that how, if I'm getting messy, how I clean it. So this was the best simple way to just uh, run your finger, and that's it. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighter. This is also my favorite part. I can just apply the highlight on my full face. Next, last but not the least, I'm going to spray some setting spray.
So guys, I'm done with the final makeup look. This is how I do my holiday makeup looks. I personally like to keep my lip shade nude. If you want, you can add any favorite lip shade which you want with this eye look. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.